Stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grande.
The economy continued to expand in the month of February, albeit at a slower pace across 10 of the Federal Reserve's 12 bank districts. While the economy appeared to moderate a bit in February, it was due to not just slower global growth, but one-off items like the government shutdown and harsher winter weather that hurt retail.
Unbelievable. Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast, trying to cut you off the Wall Street Radio Network. It was the weather. It was the weather. That's what's slowing down the economy. It's unbelievable, right? Headlines today: U.S. trade deficit soared to $621 billion, highest since 2008. That hasn't got anything to do with the weather. And what about trade deficits? They're a killer. They're evil. Trade deficits kills jobs. No one was ever told. Of course, the jibber jabbers on TV never told anybody that Obama in his 8 years lost 6 million jobs just due to trade deficits. That's how bad they are. And the deficit, budget deficit, the amount of money they spend, more than they take in taxes, hits a record. Hits a record. So it's up 77%. 77% over for 2019 already. That means they're spending 77% more than they're taking in. But everything's okay. Now, China, they're also having a problem. Their growth is really just falling off the track. And when their growth slows down, the whole world slows down. They're the big deal because everybody sells something to China, especially equipment. I talk about that all the time. For us, it's a disaster when China slows down because we sell a lot of equipment to countries that mine, that do get materials out of the ground, and coal and steel and all this stuff, and we provide all that equipment. Caterpillar, Cummins engines, all that. We all these companies thrive, and it's not happening. Not happening. China doesn't need the materials that they normally do, so that's bad. Another headline today: more elderly crushed under student loans. That's right. Now think about that. The elderly. And we're talking about people between the ages of 62 and 75. They can't pay their student loans. These are the baby boomers. Now it's hitting them because they don't have enough money. Mortgage application, another headline today. Falling again. Now, wait a minute. Weren't we told that now that the mortgage rates stopped going up? We were told that yesterday. I forgot who, we may have a clip. I'm not sure. But yesterday we were told, don't worry, mortgage applications are going to be just fine. Because now that they stopped raising rates, it's going to be fantastic. We're going to have a big boom in mortgages. Doesn't look like it's happening, does it? Employment gains, another headline. This is just today. Employment gains slowed dramatically. Small businesses cut jobs. Now, they said small businesses, and you got to note small businesses. Why? Because they are the backbone to our economy. Small businesses and startup businesses create more jobs than the big industries. Creates about 72% of all the jobs. So they didn't say it was the big corporations. They said it's the small business. Well, those are the small and mid-cap stocks. In fact, what's interesting, if you look on our chart, I'm going to turn to it. If you want to join me, go to philsgang.com and click on live. I'm going to put IWM up, the symbol for small mid-cap stocks. These are small companies that don't export anything. They just do business here in the United States. And look at this. The trend has gotten hit. The trend is getting hit. It's breaking down. Now, that's very unusual because the dollar is going up. When the dollar goes up, small and mid-cap stocks soar. Small and mid-cap stocks soar. Okay? Well, they're not soaring with the dollar going up, going the opposite way. That's a very, very bad sign. Because, see, when you have a strong dollar, the small businesses in your community do well because when you go in to buy stuff, you have that dollar in your wallet that buys more. But guess what? Dollar's going up, the economy's dropping. Now, when the dollar goes up, who it's killing is the big corporations, the multinational corporations that sell their stuff overseas. They're getting killed. Matter of fact, the president talked about that the other day and said how the strong dollar, and how's the dollar get strong? Simple. If you take all the treasuries that we sell, and remember, in between 2008 and 2013, we purchased, the Federal Reserve printed money and purchased over $4 trillion, up from $400 billion on their books to $4 trillion. Now the problem is, and that's how interest rates kept going down, the rates that we had to pay on our national debt dropped from 3.7 down to like 1%. So now the problem is that now they're selling. They're trying to get rid of those treasuries because if we run into a recession, which we're probably in already, the proof is the 30-year mortgage. I mean, the 30-year treasury. And then you take a look at the 3-month treasury. There's supposed to be a 3% spread between them. There's not even a 0.25%. Not even a 0.25%. So everything and all the headlines are not matching what they're saying. Not matching at all. And here's the real crisis, the 401k. You know, the 401k, we always touch on the 401k because most people don't understand the 401k. They don't even know what it is. Especially people with 401ks, they have no idea. Did you ever think about 401k? 99% of the people go to a 401k for one reason, the match. They match your employer's supposed to match $1 for every dollar you put. That's a bunch of nonsense. It doesn't happen that way. People think it really does, but it doesn't. Because what they do, if they know they got an employee come to work and he's taking a 401k and he's supposed to do the match, that position he takes, what they do is they adjust the salary in that slot downward that makes up that $1, their dollar match. Most people have no clue of that. You don't get that match. It never happens. So when they set up their companies and they have the slots, everybody's got a job, a slot, they'll take the dollars they pay for each slot and they adjust it downward, what they're going to pay, knowing they got to match $1. So people think, oh, look at it. I got a 401k. I'm going to get matched a whole dollar. Every dollar I put in, I'm going to get another $1. No. Oh, yeah, you get it. But the problem is your salary. You gave up your salary. It doesn't work that way. So these 401ks, there is the biggest problem because we have the retirement crisis is because of the 401ks are terrible. The 401ks is a skimming operation. It's a real problem. And most people don't understand that. Especially with the fees, they can't be understated by God. And as again, the fees are horrendous. Do you ever wonder why the majority of employers that you work for have no standardized 401 manual for investment and education? Because your employer and the mutual fund industry are working together to benefit themselves, not you. I'll explain that when we come back. Welcome to Phil's Gang.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
I will make sure that all the stocks that we are engaged in that are going up, we will get maximum returns, and we will be out of those stocks by watching our color-coded chart. You never again will have to worry about being out of an individual stock or an ETF or an index when the market crashes. You will be out before it does happen. All you got to do is join my gang, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. I'm reaching out to you. All I'm asking you to do is to reach back to the kids at St. Jude when you're making money.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
Does your money manager send you an alert when the stock position that you're in goes up or it goes down? Does your brokerage send you an alert to get out of a stock position so you don't lose money? Of course they don't. Here at philsgang.com, we keep all of our members engaged with the stock positions that we recommend. Nobody does that for their clients. Nobody. Go to philsgang.com and become a member to get up-to-the-minute alerts. That's philsgang.com. Stop losing money and start making money with Phil's Gang.
Welcome back. Are you a fan of the Phil's Gang radio show? Then you should check out philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
Phil's Gang Stock Corner is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts.
And Stock Corner is when we have an opportunity to take a look at our members, Phil's members, my gang members, see how well they're doing. So Micron Technology, we'll talk about that today. We purchased Micron Technology, and we purchased that. Let me put up on my chart. You can participate. By the way, if you want to participate, we're starting call-ins. I'll take a look at your stock. I'll put it up on the MV2 color-coded chart and tell you if you should buy it or sell it or run like hell or even go short. The number is 855-745-7445. That's 855-745-7445. By the way, during the break, I was flipping through the channel here on CNN and Fox, and they got a big billboard. Someone's got a big billboard in New York who says America is the boss. They're really starting to take a shot at lipstick and teeth. I mean, Alexandria tooth lipstick or whatever. Okay. Anyways, so Micron Technology. We got a nice buy signal on Micron Technology, and it turned green. Beautiful. It turned green right around January 7th. And the stock, we took profits. Even before it turned red, we took profits. And then we took profits, and we got a nice 17% profit. And then it just turned red today. So that means the institutions are pulling their money out. See, what's interesting with the pattern with the red and the green, it worked beautifully. As it's going up and it's green, it went all the way from a low, Micron Technology, a low of 32.81. And then she went up to a high, of around $44. But then when she started to come down, that was 34% gain right there. Our members picked up an average of the 34%, 17% of that 34%, because not all gang members get in at the same time. And then what happened is it started to drop from $44. It stayed green down to around $40. So it tells you, even though it's green, it's going down, so it tells you you don't have to get out, but you should start reducing your shares. That's the beautiful thing. When a stock starts going down, and with a color-coded chart, and it's green, and it started to drop from 44 to 43 to 42.83, that tells you, okay, the institutions are pulling money out. They're not out totally, but you should pull back on the amount of shares you own of that stock. That's a beautiful thing. And then finally she turns red today, which means they pulled so much money out, the big institutions, so much money out, it turned red. That's when you know you're safe. That's when you short it. Let's take my first caller. Hi, Joe. How are you? Welcome aboard.
Hello?
Hi, Joe. How are you?
Oh, great. Hey, Phil. Thank you so much for your show. And there's no show like yours.
Thank you.
Yeah. And I got one question on the stock about Microsoft. What do you think of Microsoft?
Okay. Do you have a position in it now, Microsoft?
No, not yet.
Okay. All right. Let's take a look at Microsoft. All right. Right now, Microsoft, I would not be a buyer of Microsoft right now because since October, okay, it's showing that it's hit a resistance area of around 113, okay? It's a 111 now. It has not been able to get above that 113 since October. It's had so many tries, and it just can't break through it. It just doesn't have enough volume. There's not enough institutions that are interested in buying Microsoft. So every time it runs back up to around that area of around $113 a share, it fails. So it hit 113 already again, and even though it's green, okay, it's failed to break through. So I wouldn't touch it until it broke through. If it gets at 114.53, then I'd be a buyer. Otherwise, it means the stock is going to pull back.
Okay.
All right. So I wouldn't touch it right now.
Okay. What about Cisco?
Okay, and Cisco, okay. All right. And Cisco has a much better trend. Have you been in that or no?
No.
You're looking.
no.
Okay. It's too late to get in Cisco. Okay, Cisco's already had its run. It went from 33% to 90%. That means the max. That means you've had most of the buying by the institutions. The institutions already done their purchasing. So for the next step now, it could come back down. But however, if it breaks back out above $53 and it remains green, then you could go in and buy it at $53 and then put a stop in at around $51. So if it breaks back through 51, that's the most loss you'll have. So put a stop in at 51, but let it break above 53 because it's really overbought right now.
Great.
Okay, thank you for your call.
Okay, wait. I want to tell you about Steve. Steve's the greatest guy I know.
Oh, Steve, yeah. Steve does a great job with our class every morning. Yeah.
He's calm. He's knowledgeable. I'm learning so much from him.
Oh, that's great. I mean, there's no better teacher than Steve. He does a great job.
Yes.
Thank you very much for that. Okay, thank you very much for your call. Okay, Art, and who Steve is. Steve is...
Hello.
Yes, go ahead. Art.
Yeah, Phil, I was calling about Qualcomm, QCOM.
Okay, let's put up Qualcomm QCOM.
I've been looking at it for the last couple of days, and it's looking like it's a buy.
Yeah, it's looking very good here. I would go ahead and I would start out with a very small amount of shares right now, but I would buy it, and I would put in a stop right around $52, or let's say just under $53. And we bought it today too. The gang bought it today. So we're in it now. Yeah, it's looking terrific. It just turned green in the last 5 days. The chart's looking beautiful. It's perfect. Just put a stop in. That's all. Okay.
Yeah, I guess I'm reading it right then.
Yeah, you picked it right. Perfect.
All right. Thanks, Bill.
Thank you. Yeah, that's a perfect example. Here, Qualcomm drops. A lot of our members have been short Qualcomm. It started to fall apart. Institutions, you could see, were pulling their money out starting October 4th. It was all red. And now finally, it's just starting to turn green, setting up beautiful. And you were a gang member, we would guide you through that whole stock. You're not by yourself. Join my gang right now, 877-600-GANG. Call in number 855-745-7445.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG. Try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you, start making money. Please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Are you tired of being lied to about some magical economic recovery that only benefits the 1 percentile? And then when the market does collapse, you're sitting there calling your broker, what do I do? When you should be shorting? Learn how to short the market. Continue to listen to my radio show, philsgang.com. Become a member, only $39.95 a month, and learn how to short.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Welcome back. Are you a fan of the Phil's Gang radio show? Then you should check out philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Join my gang. And why don't you join my gang today and start out with Qualcomm. We started with that stock today. We just bought it. The membership just bought it today. So you're getting in on the ground floor. Be a perfect time to test our charting and our performance. 877-600-GANG. Join $39.95 and follow us on Qualcomm just for 1 month. And then judge us on our performance. It's setting up beautifully. Now what happens, which is interesting, people now go buy Qualcomm, but they don't join the gang. They think they're going to save $39.95. So they don't get any instructions. They don't get our updates. They don't get to our classes. They don't get at 2 o'clock in the afternoon what to do. And they're on their own, because I said on the show here, right, Qualcomm. Then I'll read somewhere, I lost money with Phil Grandy. Well, then if you dig in, the person was never a member. And what he did, just like what I'm doing now, I give a stock that my gang is going to have. And he doesn't know what the hell he's doing. He's trying to save $39.95. That's amazing. So he said, I lost money. Well, of course you lost money, you dope. Okay, because you're too cheap to join the gang. You think you're going to save $39.95 because you think it's one of these stocks like Kramer gives you. Buy. Just get in and stay with it. No, that's not how it works. Today, stocks, not like it used to be. There's no more finding stocks which value dropped. Then you go in and you find those stocks which value dropped and you stay with those for those days are over. Here you got to follow the institutional money. While the institutions go up, we buy. Institutions pull their money out, we sell short. Okay, we got one more caller. Tony, how are you, Tony?
Oh, good. Thanks for taking my call, Phil.
Okay, great. What you got?
I am long on LABD and got in this morning around 1968.
Okay, LABD. Okay, and you bought it?
Yeah.
At what price?
At 1968.
Okay, 1968. Okay, first of all, for a short-term trade, just for a couple days, you're okay. All right, but anything longer than a short-term trade, it's not set up. It's not set up yet. Okay. So it's too early for. In other words, if you're going to buy it to stay into it for 3 to 5 months and try to make some real money on it, it's not set up yet. So it would be considered okay for a trade for a couple of days. Okay, just make sure you put your stop in under 17.18, and then when you get to around $25, if it doesn't break through that $25, then it'll probably fail on you. So it's important to get to $25 because it's just not set up right. But it doesn't mean you can't get a good couple of days out of it. So $25 is where it's got to break through or it will fail, okay?
All right. Thanks, Phil.
Okay, no problem. Make sure you put your stop in. Okay, next caller. Michael, how are you, Michael?
Okay, good, Phil. I'm holding SPY, and I guess I could keep it till it goes down to the 200-day if it does.
Yeah, we're in, as you know, the gang's in the SPY. We've been in it for quite a while. We've taken most of our profits though because because I think we had about a 10% gain in that. Because this is like the 5th or 6th time it's not been able to break out through that resistance right around that 280. This is in trouble. So I would say if she breaks out and runs above that, let's say about 283, we'll buy it. But if she breaks through the 200-day moving average, the 274, if she breaks down through that, we want to short it. Okay.
Okay. And last thing, I've been long AMT for long, American Tower.
AMP.
Just add on AMT like Tom. I guess I could just add on highs whenever it's a decent day, right?
Yeah.
AMT. Apple might, right.
AMT. Let me see if I can get up. AMT. Okay, American Tower. Oh, I see. Yeah, you're still in that, right?
Yes.
Okay, well, what I would do, let me bring that back. AMT, it's still green on my chart. And let me bring it back a bit. Okay, that's a power stock, so that's good. That's excellent. Right. So because it's a power stock, stay with it. And put your stop in. If it breaks down through 174.81, then you want to be out of it. But
I'll do that.
But stay with it for now.
Yeah, and add on new highs. Okay, thank you.
Okay, very good. Yeah, good. That's a beautiful power stock. Very nice. It's green, looking good. Very good. Okay. All right, so I want to play this for you. This is exactly what these financial TV shows, why they're so bad, and why so many people lose money listening to them.
The economy's still strong, and if you strip away everything else, when you look at the wage picture, you look at the ADP number, suddenly you got to go back to where we always start, the consumer. And the consumer at 70% of your economy is healthy.
The consumer, 70% of your economy is healthy? No, what he's saying is, he's trying to say, and he screwed it up, remember, 70% consumption is what grows our economy. But people aren't consuming because their credit cards are tapped out. If the economy was so healthy and the consumer was so healthy, like he said, then why is it that we have right now, the auto loans, 7 million people can't pay their car loans, credit cards hit an all-time new high. They can't pay their credit cards. Housing starts, which is key. That's a key indicator how your economy is doing. Falling off a cliff. The housing starts are the worst slump in years. It's already down 11%. Housing sales, both new and existing home sales, tanking. Mortgage applications falling off a cliff. What is he talking about? The national debt is killer. The national debt's why the economy's not growing. The economy, remember, in the in 2018, start with the second quarter, the high was 4.2% economic GDP growth. Now we finished up the fourth quarter, it came in at 2.6%. And it's going to, and now that's for the first reading. It will go down to 1.8%. But here's the real danger: the quarter we're in now, the first quarter 2019, is going to be 0.3%. No growth. What is he talking about? This is what they do. They sit there and they lie. And that's another reason that these 401ks, you know, I tell you about these 401ks, people don't listen to how dangerous these things are. Most people have no idea how bad these 401ks are. And I mean, they're the worst. They're the worst. And the big problem you have with these 401ks, everybody buys them because, oh, I get a match. I get a match. No, that money's not free. I mean, people really think it's a great deal because, oh, I'm going to get a 401k and I'm going to get an employer match, and every dollar I put in, he's going to put in. Wrong. They screw you. Every dollar a company contributes to the 401k through matching, they pay 99 cents less. In other words, companies fund their employer matching program by reducing the salary in the slot they hire you for. They reduce the salaries by an equivalent amount. They're a bunch of gangsters. So when they know that they're hiring you, and if the job was paying $90,000 a year, and you're going to sign up for the 401k, and they're going to have to match you, they switch it from $90,000, they'll drop it down to $75,000. So you think, oh, I'm getting a match, but they just screwed you on your salary. Are you kidding me? That's terrible. What they do, that is one of the worst things with 401k, and these. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. 401ks should be illegal, for God's sakes. It's a ripoff. 27 hidden fees. 20, and they have total control over your money. If you need a down payment on a home, you're not allowed to pull the money out. It's your money, but you can't pull it out without this big penalty until you're 59 and a half years old. And there's only two ways to access your money. You got to change jobs and take an early withdrawal with tax penalties. Instead of rolling over the account to your new employer, you get screwed. Nobody understands that. We'll be right back. Join my gang right now. Follow us.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
Does your money manager send you an alert when the stock position that you're in goes up or it goes down? Does your brokerage send you an alert to get out of a stock position so you don't lose money? Of course they don't. Here at philsgang.com, we keep all of our members engaged with the stock positions that we recommend. Nobody does that for their clients. Nobody. Go to philsgang.com and become a member to get up-to-the-minute alerts. That's philsgang.com. Stop losing money and start making money with Phil's Gang.
philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. So we're talking about the 401k. The fees alone are a ripoff. The fees are crazy. I mean, they're insane. I mean, even the returns are horrible on your 401k. Take over 30 years, the average return is about 3%. If you get a good year, that's 4%. Spiders are double that. It's the fees that kill you. It's the fees that kill you. That's why we have a retirement crisis. Because remember, just a 1% fee, remember, all these hidden fees, and they charge you 1%. Which is a hidden fee, you lose 28 to 30% of the money you set aside for your retirement on just 1% of the hidden fees. Are you kidding? You got to be nuts. The skimming is intense. 401k is the biggest skimming operation in the country. Because remember, your company is partners with the mutual fund industry. They enrich themselves by skimming off $250 billion a day on these hidden fees. Remember that. And where the hidden fees are in the areas of administration, record keeping, investment management, brokerage, advisory fees, custodial fees, legal fees, transfer agent fees, sub-transfer agent fees, record keeping fees. They even charge you a hidden fee for toilet paper, telephone, and parking lot fees.
Wow.
What are you, nuts?
Wow.
What a ripoff. You have no control over your money. The only time that you can take your money, get access to your money, is you change jobs and take an early withdrawal. You get hit with a big tax instead of rolling over the account to your new employer. Or take out a loan against your 401k, then start making monthly payments. What are you, nuts? With interest to pay back on the money you borrowed? What are you, nuts? And you're more, and 99.9% of the reason why people get these stupid things is the employer match. And that is a scam. That is a scam. when you go and apply for the job, they already figured in that cost of that 1%, and they pulled down what they're going to pay you in that slot. If it's a $100,000 job, they'll readjust down to $78,000. You don't get any free. Nobody's going to give you anything free. What are you, nuts? As far as being vested, read. Why did they pick 6 years? Why do you think they picked 6 years? Just by magic? Did you got to be vested for 6 years? Because they know. They've done massive studies that employers, anytime people get a job, they keep the job at 4.2 years average. So you never get that 6 years. Read the fine print. The law states your employer match funds won't be fully vested until you've been on your job for 6 years. The maximum vesting schedule allowed by law. What are you, nuts? This is insane. Here's what's really insane. Listen to this.
I need to go to Ken in Ohio. Ken!
Hey, I wanted your thoughts on Marathon Petroleum, if possible.
All right, look, Marathon doesn't report till April, 3.2% yield. I like it. I think it's a buy.
3.2% yield. Don't report that. I think great buy. Okay, let's go to my color-coded chart, which identifies what are the institutions thinking. That's all we care about, what the institutions are thinking, right? If they put money in, they're buying. They pull it out, they're not buying it. So we go take a look, and what do you think? Here you go. Go to my site, philsgang.com. It's free. Just click on, okay, live. Look at this. It's turned red. The stock, we owned the stock from around $58. And then it turned red right around 68 bucks. I think we had about a 10% gain in that, or 15%. So say average 10% gain. But then it turned red. We got out, and we're shorting it. We're shorting it. And so MPC is red. It's been solid red, for God's sakes, since February 7th. So he's telling you to buy this stock because he thinks it's a great deal. And when you put it on my color-coded chart, the institutions are pulling their money out. So who are you going to believe? Him? Buy. That clown? Or are you going to watch, are you going to believe in the institutions? They're the ones that make stocks go up and down. Always believe in the institution. And that's why the color-coded chart works. You don't believe it? Try it for 1 month. Just try it for 1 month. And I'll guarantee you'll stay. And then please start helping out St. Jude. Costs $1.8 million a day to keep St. Jude open. And since 1962, when they first started, Danny Thomas discovered this hospital, and he started in Memphis, Tennessee. Since 1960, they've almost wiped out leukemia. Leukemia is one of the worst cancer for kids. Almost wiped it out. It was a 4% survival rate. 4% survival rate, this one form of leukemia. Now it's a 90% survival rate. And if you take all the different kinds of cancers, it was when they started in 1962 a survival rate of 20%, and now it's a survival rate of over 80%. They need 1.8 a day. So my gang, okay, I'm not saying every gang member contributes, but we'll make sure you make money. Join the gang, and then go to Working Investors. And try for the first month, just pick out one of the 5 stocks that we've been in for 2 years. And every afternoon at 2 o'clock, we tell you exactly what to do. We post it. If you follow what we tell you to do, you'll do much better than you ever do with a 401k. I'll never convince you to get out of a 401k. One day you will. Once you start with my gang and you start thinking and you see you're making more money than you ever do with a 401k, then at that time you will. Listen to this. You got to listen to this today. Cortez now, that lipstick tooth there, she is now backstepping on her not working with Amazon. And so listen to this. The Greg Meeks come in. He's a congressman from New York, and he was with Cortez and pulling down Amazon. Now he's trying to backtrack and say, oh no, he was for Amazon, and he's debating Zamzel. Listen to this.
Yeah, the congressman, you were part of the team that was trying to renegotiate with Amazon, which is part of the reason that they left.
No,
I remember having you here on set and talking about this, and you were on your way to a meeting with Amazon back in Washington that day. You wanted to renegotiate the deal.
No.
They just said forget it.
No. You got that wrong. I was a big proponent. I think this deal with Amazon is going to go down in history as one of the great mistakes that politicians made in their own interests and disregarding the interests of the state of New York.
If you look at the number of individuals who were more for the deal than against the deal, and that's why we've been trying to get the deal back on the table. I do believe we got to be inclusive in any deals, though.
All right, we're going to leave it there, gentlemen. Thank you, Congressman Meeks. Good to see you.
What a cracker.
They didn't shut his mic off. He goes, what a crock of S. Very good. Beautiful. Love it. Okay, Walmart. Listen to this crock of.
Why do you like Walmart?
I own Walmart. I've owned it for some time since they made the acquisition of Jet.com and got the CEO, Mark Lohr, to come on. Walmart is exactly opposite of Amazon. They have, their strengths are Amazon's weakness. So their strength is distribution centers. So they have distribution centers basically all over North America. They're stores, but there also can be...
Oh, shut up. He's talking about the reason why he wants to buy the stock because of distribution centers. You don't buy a stock because of distribution centers. You don't buy a stock because where the store's located or the sales of the stores or the PE ratio. You buy it if the institutions are buying it. If the 5 largest banks are buying it, the 5 largest institutions are buying it, the 5 largest insurance companies are buying it, the 5 largest hedge funds are buying it. That's when you buy it. You don't care about this. Are you kidding me? Distribution centers. So let's take a look at it. Walmart, bring it back a year. Bring it back a year. So here's what's interesting. Walmart, this stock has been unable for a whole year to break out above 106. It's always failing. And it failed the last time at 106 right around February 19th. And now it's turned red. It's turned red. In the last, five days, this thing's turned 3 days. It's telling you, don't get in. Take your money out. Take your profits because institutions are pulling the money out. So you listen to this guy, someone's going to get in and they're going to lose money. Just like MPC is red, and if you listen to Kramer, you're losing money. You follow the institutions. There's no more fundamentals. The market is totally engineered, financially engineered with quantitative easing, stock buybacks. You can make and create wealth if you just follow the money, not these dopes. We'll see you on the chart. Join my gang, 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call. Help St. Jude.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to me to make my dreams.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought